In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up Outlook emails to PST for free, which is one of the most important steps you can take to protect your email data. Whether you're switching computers, archiving old emails, or simply creating a backup in case something goes wrong, exporting your Outlook emails to a PST file gives you full control over your data. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through every single step, including how to password protect your backup for added security. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Backstage view where you can access various account and file management options. From the File menu, click on Open and Export. This section contains all the tools you need to import and export data in Outlook. Next, click on Import Export. A new window will open called the Import and Export Wizard. This wizard guides you through the process of exporting your emails to a PST file. In the wizard, you'll see a list of actions you can perform. Select Export to a file, then click Next. Now you'll be asked to choose the file type you want to create. Select Outlook Data File, PST from the list, then click Next again. At this point, Outlook will display a list of all your email accounts and folders. If you want to back up everything, click on the top level email account. If you only want to back up specific folders, select those folders individually. Make sure to check the box that says Include subfolders if you want to export all the emails and subfolders inside the main folder. This is important if you have nested folders with archived emails. Once you've selected the folders, click Next. Now you'll be prompted to choose where you want to save the PST file. Click Browse, navigate to the location on your computer or external drive where you want to store the backup, and give the file a meaningful name like Outlook Backup 2026 or something similar. After choosing the location, click Finish. Before the export begins, Outlook will give you the option to set a password for the PST file. This is a highly recommended security measure, especially if the file contains sensitive information. Type a strong password in both fields, then click OK. If you don't want to set a password, you can leave these fields blank, but for best practice, always use a password. Outlook will now begin exporting your emails to the PST file. Depending on the size of your mailbox, this process can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Once the export is complete, Outlook will return to the normal view. Your PST file is now saved in the location you chose. One important thing to note, you may need a Microsoft 365 subscription to access some of the advanced export features, depending on your Outlook version. However, the steps I just showed you remain the same across all versions of Outlook that support PST export. This method works whether you're using Outlook for personal use or as part of a business Microsoft 365 plan. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Outlook emails to a PST file, and if you followed along, you've also password protected it for extra security. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.